All right, everybody, we are going to work on how to make a drawing. So the way you make a drawing is find the shape that you want to make a drawing of, right? So triangle or multiple shapes. If you're looking to do one with multiple shapes, it's best that all of those are in one drawing like this and not individually like this. It just makes it easier. It's not impossible to put multiple on. It's just a lot easier if they're all in one drawing. So let's say I choose this one. We'll open that up. Now down in the bottom, I need to move this. How do I move this? There you go. Down in the bottom, you'll see this plus sign after your part is open. Click on that plus sign and click Create Drawing. It's going to ask you what type of template do you want to use. For right now, I'm just going to go ahead and use the first one that pops up. Click OK. Give it a second. It's going to take a while because there's a lot of parts in this one. Now you'll notice that over here this is called a I can't remember the name of it off the top of my head, but we'll work on this in another video. But what we want to do right now is here are our parts. It might show up over here. These are all the parts that were in that one file. Let me maximize my screen so you can see everything better. So I'm going to go ahead and just choose this part 1. Now what you'll see is it's going to say what orientation. Depending on how we would do this, we would do a front, top, side, and isometric view. But for this particular drawing, I'm just going to do an isometric view. Okay. Now, if I want multiple shapes, this might be too big or too small. I would adjust the scale to make it bigger or smaller. So if I change this to 1 to 5, this one, and I press enter, this one gets smaller. If I go 1 to 2, press enter, it gets bigger. So I'm going to just go here, and we're just going to place this view right here. So now I have my cube that I made. Now I can go back to insert, which is right here, insert view. I can go to insert again. And now I'm going to choose my second part. I'll check to see, I want my isometric view. I want to make sure my size is a good size. This one I might want to make a little bit bigger. Right? And I'm going to place this one right here. Now I can come over here to insert view, insert again. I'm going to pick this triangle, change it to isometric. You'll see that size that comes through. If that's too small for you, you can always adjust it. Click. There's part 3. Go to insert, insert, go to part 4, change my view to isometric. And I'm going to make this one just a little bit bigger. And now we have 4. Okay, so let me show you a little trick. If you take 2 fingers, when you come over a shape and this box appears, this brownish box appears over it, if you two finger click or right click if you have a mouse, and you go to show shaded view, it will change it to be shaded. Click on it with your 2 fingers or the right click on a mouse, show shaded view, shaded. 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 Okay, so here's how you make just a simple drawing with multiple shapes in it from a drawing that we made, all in isometric views. We'll have future videos that will show you how to do annotations and how to make a front, top, side, and isometric view as well.